You're driving home after a long day, but suddenly a car swerves into your lane, narrowly missing you. Your heart's racing, you're left thinking, what if it had hit me? How would I prove what had happened? If this had happened to you, you know that feeling. But if you hadn't experienced it, bless you. I hope that you don't have to, because I've been there before plenty of times. But this is exactly why dash cams exist. A dash cam is not just a gadget. It's certainly not an obstruction. It's peace of mind. It's security. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the dash cam, the Vantrue N4 Pro. What it offers, the good, the great, and of course, the issues I found while using it. Unboxing it and first impressions right from the get-go. The Vantrue N4 Pro feels premium. The packaging is sleek and the components are arranged properly, with little left to figure out. There's the main unit with its solid build and a satisfying heft to it. It's not lightweight by any means, but that weight carries an air of reliability. Inside, you'll find the front camera with the latest Sony Stravis 2 sensor, which we will be testing in real life later in this video, and you don't want to miss that, so stay tuned. It also includes a rear camera with its 1080p resolution and another 1080p resolution camera that focuses in on the cabin and equipped with infrared LEDs for better night recording, a magnetic mount, a USB-C power cord, and a car charger with an extra USB port round out this kit. Every piece feels very well designed and the initial setup is straightforward. Now, based on the manual, it does recommend that you mount the camera in the middle of your windshield right below the rear view mirror, and that's exactly how I mounted it here inside of my Audi e-tron. This is key also because it gives a really good balanced view of the overall scene out the dash, but also interior of the vehicle with that 1080p interior facing camera. It also is out of the way of any windshield wiper streaks that you might see if you placed it to the left or the right of the rear view mirror. Now let's talk about the heart of the Vantrue N4 Pro. It's the true 4K front facing camera. With the Sony Stravis 2 sensor, this dash cam delivers video so sharp it's almost cinematic. But don't just take my word for it. The Sony Stravis 2 image sensor sets a new benchmark in dash cam technology with its superior low light performance, exceptional resolution, and an efficient power usage. Designed with a large pixel size, it captures more light, delivering clear, detailed footage even in challenging conditions. Its advanced features, including clear HDR and phase detection autofocus, also known as PDAF, ensure crisp, high-quality images without distortion, making it ideal for capturing license plates, road signs, and other crucial details. Stravis 2 also optimizes power consumption, extending parking mode functionality while preserving battery life, making it the perfect choice for modern dash cams. And this is actually from my experience. This isn't just being read off of a spec sheet. I'm telling you from my experience what I have seen this dash cam do since I installed it about a week ago. In all, you have 3 camera channel systems that deliver live feed to the monitor in real time. Whether it's a bright sunny day or a dimly lit road, the footage retains incredible detail. For license plate, it's surprisingly crystal clear to view both in real-time feed and the after-the-fact recording. Vantrue paid some more attention to capturing plate numbers because this could potentially help you capture extra detail that might be useful in an investigation. They call it plate pix mode. Using advanced sensor technology, it captures clear, detailed images of nearby vehicle license plates by focusing and enhancing plate areas while maintaining overall image clarity. This is really impressive because it's doing this in real time and recording it directly to the internal micro SD card. This makes it valuable for documenting incidents, resolving disputes, and providing solid evidence for insurance claims, ensuring you never miss a critical detail on the road. Now keep in mind, if it's your fault, it's also going to capture those details. So, why not follow the road rules and play nicely out there? Just say no to road rage. Little pro tip from Manshed there. And you don't have to worry about the subtle curve of the road with this big guy either. They are captured quite beautifully from my tests. Nighttime driving just got better as well. The HDR Super Night Vision ensures clear recordings even in low light. Driving through a dimly lit tunnel, the car adjusts seamlessly, balancing overexposed and underexposed areas to give you an even clear image. Now, I didn't have any tunnels around my area, but trust me, they they have really taken care of the contrast between brightly lit areas and dimly lit areas. The rear and cabin camera hold their own as well, recording at 1080p. While they don't match the front camera's 4K clarity, they're sharp enough to catch every important detail. For rideshare drivers, the interior camera's infrared mode adds an extra layer of safety, recording clear footage even in pitch darkness. Smart features and practical benefits, Dashcam offers 4 modes: buffered motion detection, collision detection, low bitrate recording, and low frame rate recording. Each mode ensures your car is monitored even when you're not around. Let's say you walk out of a store to find a fresh dent on your car. With this Dashcam, you'll have the footage to identify the truth behind the dent. The Vantrue N4 Pro comes with 4 parking modes that help protect your car even when you're not around. The buffered motion detection mode captures footage when it detects movement, giving you a few seconds before the event, so you don't miss anything at all. Collision detection records when it senses an impact, like a bump or hit and run. The low bitrate recording saves power while still capturing essential footage, perfect for long parking sessions. And finally, low frame rate recording keeps things running smoothly in situations with limited battery, recording at a low frame rate but still providing critical evidence. These modes make sure your car stays covered and protected 24/7 without needing to worry about draining the battery. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi makes the product very interesting. While it doesn't have cloud support, the fast internet support paired with the mobile app makes downloading and sharing footage possible and even easy if you do have good internet. To top it off, it also comes with a built-in GPS and a speed monitoring system. You can review your trip's route and you can access details and speed data. This feature is perfect for parents monitoring a teenage driver or business owners managing company vehicles. For those with an interest in mileage tracking, it also has that just in case you need another gadget checking in to see how much mileage you've driven or if you want to get those tax credits. Combine that with the accompanying app and you have a Dashcam that's kind of smart and very functional. Transferring files is quick and easy, and the app interface is quite intuitive. Design and build quality, the magnetic mount allows for quick installation and removal, while the overall build quality inspires confidence. But, and here's where the quirks start. The unit size might be a little bit of a concern. It is bulkier than some competitors, which could obstruct your view slightly, especially in a compact vehicle. However, if you do place it under the rearview mirror, I find that it's pretty convenient right there just to glance over and look at the screen, but doesn't take up too much real estate space on the windshield. The rear camera's thick cable is another hiccup. Routing it neatly can be a challenge, and I did find it a little bit of a struggle to find little nooks and crannies to tuck it into, as it is a little bit of a thicker cable, but in my opinion, it's well worth the effort for that coverage and to just make it all nice, neat, and tidy. Also, while the interior camera can tilt up and down, it doesn't swivel sideways. This means you'll need to carefully position it to get the best angle. But again, they give you instructions on exactly how to do that. And again, no product is perfect, and the Vantrue N4 Pro is no exception. The rear camera's focus can sometimes be inconsistent, though this seems to vary by unit. Additionally, the large file size means you'll need a high-capacity micro SD card. A 256 GB card can store around 12 hours of footage across all 3 channels. For longer trips or heavy usage, you might want to consider a 512 GB card. Finally, there's no cloud storage option. If you're used to uploading your footage directly to the cloud, you'll need to manually transfer files to your computer or mobile device, but the 5 GHz high-speed frequency Wi-Fi makes it easy to connect to your phone through the app, downloading and sharing the footage instantly. So what's the overall verdict here? Who is this right for? The Vantrue N4 Pro is for anyone who values safety and quality. Rideshare drivers will love its comprehensive interior coverage. Families can rely on its rear camera for peace of mind, and tech enthusiasts will appreciate the cutting-edge Sony Stratus 2 sensor and 4K quality. Contractors or small business owners can also use the GPS and speed monitoring to manage vehicle efficiency and geolocation. It's a premium dash cam with a price tag to match, but the value it provides makes it a very good buy in my opinion. The Vantrue N4 Pro has a few shortfalls, but its strengths enable it to do a great job. With the combination of great video quality, especially in low light situations, smart features, and reliable build, it's a standout in the market. Something else to consider is the fact that the screen does work with polarized sunglasses. This is something that did not fare well with some other dash cams that I've reviewed here on this channel. So keep that in mind when picking a dash cam that has a screen on it. Whether you're capturing a scenic drive, monitoring passengers riding in your vehicle, or safeguarding against accidents, the N4 has your back. Literally, like it's watching behind you, in front of you, and inside your vehicle. It really does do it all. So if you want to get the best price on the Vantrue N4, check the links in the description of this video. I've got the best price possible. I would appreciate a smash on the like button and a subscribe, and let me know what dash cam you guys have in your vehicle, or do you even find dash cams useful in the first place?